Greetings. Welcome to GSS Coaching Center. Greetings. Welcome to GSS Learning Center. Today, we are going to explore a reliable trap in the game of chess, which is known as Lasker trap. Lasker is a well-established chess grandmaster who has contributed to the galaxy of the chess world. In his honor, we are exploring this trap. The black side plays the winning move and the white side plays the opening. The pawn which is present just before the queen is said to be in the position called as D2. The chessboard is arranged in certain way, while this part of the chessboard is labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And this position is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this position it is being enabled. So considering that this pawn lies in a position called as D2. So we are moving this pawn from D2 to D4. In a similar way, we are moving the pawn which is present before the queen, the black queen, from D7 to D5, like this. The white side chooses to move the pawn which is present just before the queen side bishop. This bishop is called the queen side bishop, this horse is called as the queen side knight, and this rook is called the queen side rook. We are trying to move the pawn present in C2 to C4. In the black side, we are moving the pawn which is present from E7 to E5. So this is the way to control the position at the center region. The white side is trying to control the center region, the black side is trying to control the center region. The white side plays the decisive move from D2 to E5, killing the king side pawn. Since this pawn which is present in D5 has the support of the queen, it's moving forward one step. In order to encounter the pawn which is present in D4, the white chooses to move the king, the pawn which is just present before the king, from E2 to E3. Now the black plays a very decisive move in order to protect the pawn which is present in D4. From F8, the bishop from the F8 is made to position in D4, thereby establishing a check to the white king here. Now the white king is bringing the bishop from C1 to D2 in order to block the check established by the black bishop which is present in B4. The black side plays a decisive move from D4 to E3, like this. Since this bishop is without any aid or support, the white side decides to bring this bishop to eliminate the black bishop which is present in B4. Here is where the Lasker gambit starts. From E3 to F2, the pawn is being moved, eliminating the pawn which is already present in F2, establishing a check here. If there is a possibility that the king chooses to eliminate this pawn like this, then the queen will take the queen which is directly opposite to it. So in order to avoid that, the king is made to move from E1 to E2, thereby aiding the white queen and getting away from the check established by the black pawn which is present in f2. The black side moves from f2 to g1, killing the knight which is present in d1 and establishing the pawn here. Now when the pawn comes to the position and reaching the boundaries of the chess, we have the power to bring a decisive object such as rook, knight and bishop. We are establishing knight to this position. We are just borrowing. Now a check is being established. Knight 1, 2, 3. The check is being established from here, positioning our black knight from g1 to e2. For the record, the black side has 3 knights now, totally 3 knights. 1 knight here, 1 knight here, 1 knight here. So totally 3 knights. Now we are using the white side chooses the rook which is stationed at h1 to kill the knight. This is the moment we are waiting for. Since the king, white king and the white queen is aligned in a diagonal way, we can easily bring the bishop which is present in c8 to d4 and establish a forking condition. A forking condition means you can kill 2 objects with the single side object of our black side. This is set to be 4. The king is set to move forth like this. Then in e3, the queen from d8 kills the queen from d1. The white side resigns, and on the black side, Grandmaster Lasker played a very decisive role and wins the game. Greetings. We welcome you to learn this Lasker trap from our chess channel. You can teach this to many other people, and you can remember this by teaching to many others. Greetings. Welcome once again.